Per Inside EVs, Tesla's latest full self-driving FSD update, version 13.2, marks significant progress in autonomous driving. The system can now back out of parking spots, complete journeys, and search for parking at destinations. However, challenges remain, as demonstrated in a test where the car attempted to park on a sidewalk ramp resembling a driveway. The update introduces higher resolution camera feeds with faster refresh rates, enabling smoother driving and quicker decision-making. This is powered by Tesla's new Cortex supercomputer, which processes data 5 times faster than its predecessor, Dojo. Despite these advancements, FSD still struggles with complex parking scenarios, such as identifying legal parking spots or understanding time-restricted zones. Tesla's long-term goal of launching robotaxis, including the planned Cybercab by 2026 or 2027, feels more attainable with these improvements. However, safety concerns and the system's occasional errors highlight the need for driver vigilance. You are listening to Yuan News.